morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would vlog today, possibly tomorrow, and yeah, just kind of show what a pretty average day in my life looks like, rather than just always showing the big family days out where we do like activities. This is the kind of content that I really like to watch myself when I do watch YouTube. So yeah, I thought why not, I'll give it a shot. I'll film as much as I can, and yeah, I've been getting myself kind of semi-ready. I don't care too much about looking like amazing because we're just going to a play cafe this morning, but I didn't want to look completely dead. So Eric is downstairs with Lydia having breakfast and I stayed up here to shower and do my face a little bit. I'm going to go and grab Lydia's washing basket because that really needs to be done today. And yeah, then we're going to head out. We do have a package downstairs to open as well, so we'll probably open that. I'll probably open it when we get back from the play cafe because we might not have enough time, but I'll probably film the segment and put it in first because it is an ad and I need to put it in at the start of the video. So yeah, the morning's going to swap around a little bit, but you'll see what I mean when it comes up next. Okay, so Lydia has gone upstairs for a nap and it's time to open our Love Every box. This one is the, oh, it says here, it's called the Adventurer. It's for 16, 17 and 18 month. Lydia is 15 month now, but I actually think she'll be fine with this because she is doing really well developmentally at the moment. Especially since she started nursery, actually. I have noticed that she's really come on like heaps and bounds. So, time to do a little toy swap. I can't actually fully remember what's in this one. And in case I haven't already said as well, I feel like I might have earlier in the day, but this is gifted to us from Love Every. It's really nice that they gift us these boxes for Lydia, if you want to get them. But I actually really love these Love Every boxes. It really takes away like the stress of having to find new toys all the time, because you know they do get bored and we do need to rotate her toys quite a lot, because we do notice like literally every week she just stops playing with the majority of the things that she's got. So yeah, this is a nice big box as well. Yeah, and it does tell you what's kind of like in the box. So this is what we're gonna have this time. Yeah, these are always really handy. I always have a good look through these whenever we get them, because it does kind of tell you like little things you can do with them, things that so yeah, serving themselves is a good thing for them to start practicing at this age. Cleaning. Lydia's actually really helpful, bless her. Obviously she doesn't necessarily get things clean but she tries, and it does keep her occupied while I'm doing other things. Fruit sensory play. Oh, in this box we've got another book. She loves these books and we actually tend to keep these upstairs for her, use them for like bedtime and stuff. This is cute though. This is Max and Nana Go to the Park. How sweet is that? I'm trying to look at the picture of this to figure it out. Oh no, I think yeah, this is for this one. So they can like stack them all in one like that, or they can just put them in, practice their fine motor skills in slotting like that. So I'll put that to one side. We've got this, looks like a little tree. Oh cute, it's got little insects and stuff to stick on the side. She'll like this because she really likes butterflies and stuff at the moment. Yeah, and they can stick it to the tree. Little dragonfly, an ant. Okay, I think this one might be the threading one. Yeah, it is. So it comes with a bit of string, and then you're supposed to, we've got like different types of things for threading. So I've got some thin ones and some bigger ones like that. Really good for fine motor skills though. And then she's got a one similar to this, but it's flowers, whereas I think this one's actual cars that I think she will enjoy. I'm just trying and get the cars out. They're like well stuck on here. Cute. So it's got two different ramps. One's red, one's blue, and then you just put them. Ooh. Cute.
And I think this is the last one, which I think, yeah, it's a puzzle. Oh, cute. I didn't realise it was bits of plastic as well. I thought it was just going to be a wooden puzzle. There we go. I think they call this the community garden puzzle. There. Really sweet. Like an onion, carrot, cabbage I think, or maybe it's lettuce, and a turnip, and a little shovel. That's sweet. I think that's everything. So I'm gonna do a bit of a toy swap now. Put some of our old stuff away, and put some of this stuff out. Lydia was being dead funny at the play cafe today. She basically kept, like, I don't know if it's because she goes to nursery now, so she's a lot more used to other adults, and obviously she plays with other adults at nursery, but she kept going up to all the other parents and trying to make them play with her, and like on some occasions she was like standing between them and their own child, and I was kind of like, Lydia, I think this lady wants to play with her son. But it was really sweet because all of the parents did kind of like humour her and like play with her a little bit. But yeah, it was a little bit awkward because I didn't really know what to do, because it wasn't like she was doing anything, like she wasn't doing anything wrong. She was just trying to play. But yeah, kind of awkward. And I just know that like if another child kept trying to play with me that I didn't know while I was trying to play with my daughter, like I would feel a little bit awkward, because yeah, I don't know, it's one of those things, isn't it? But you do just kind of get used to other kids coming up to you when you are a parent and go to these kids places. But yeah, she enjoyed it, she had fun. We both shared a scone, a cheese scone, homemade cheese scone. It was lovely. And then one of those little like Costco shortbread squares. I don't know if other places buy them. I only know that from Costco because where I used to work used to buy them, but they're delicious, they're really chocolatey. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna head home. It'll be Lydia's lunchtime and then her nap time, and then that means I can sort out her toys and do her toy rotation, because it's long overdue. She's getting a little bit bored of what she's got now, and we have a love every parcel anyway, so it came at the perfect time. And Lydia's talking away to herself in the back. I don't know if you can hear her. Well done. Oh, bless you. Take this off. Well done. You gonna go in? Are your legs in? that a pig? Well, Lydia has not woken up in the best mood since her nap, so we're watching a little bit of Miss Apple on YouTube, aren't we? I've gotten her dinner back out of the fridge because she didn't actually eat it before her nap. Normally she does. She pretty much left the whole plate. So I've gotten it back out, like I put it in the fridge to keep. But she still doesn't seem to want to eat, which is a bit unlike you today, isn't it, Missy? Yeah, that's you. There's Lydia. Just try your dinner again later, won't we? So we're just having a bit of a chill on the sofa now. She's played with some of our new toys, which she really liked. She really likes the car ramp, and she really liked the round thing with the pegs and the holes. She really liked that. You were stacking them all up really tall, weren't you? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna chill for a little bit this afternoon, and then for tea we're gonna make our own pizzas, aren't we? She absolutely loves Miss Apple. She's like the British Miss Rachel, which we do still watch Miss Rachel, but with Miss Apple I prefer because she does like British Sign Language, which obviously makes more sense when you're a British person. So yeah, we're having a bit of a chill watching Miss Apple. Yeah. Got a ladybird. Well done. An ant. Dragonfly. Whoops, Mummy dropped it. And there's a butterfly. Well done. You're going to stick them back on? Hello everyone. So it's pizza night, which means Lydia, she actually knows what it is now. It said cute. So if I say, do you want to make pizza? Pizza! Pizza! She really likes making her own pizza. She really enjoys it. And Eric is joining us this time. Normally it's just me and Lydia, but Eric is here. So, can we cut the peppers up? I know we do need to put them in there. 1 minute though. Do you want to help cut the peppers? Obviously we don't make our own bases because that's a bit too much work. But we just get these. You can get like a cup. This one's actually a sub. I had ordered 2 of the cheap ones, but they substituted one of them. I guess there's only 1 left. But yeah, you can get like own brand, or you can get the Lloyd Grossman ones.
Hello.
Yeah.
God. Oh my
Wowza!
God.
Lydia cut it.
Ow.
Oh, there's a pepper inside of this pepper.
That's a tomato. The tomatoes up one.
Bit strange. Do you want to hold? You can eat it if you want. You're gonna eat it. You like pepper? Well done. Went down and picked up your pepper. Are you eating that one? Or are you going to cut it? Look. You can cut it. This is the pizza sauce we're using this time. I normally get a jar, but I think this one was on offer on Morrison's, so I got this one. And then I do get the pre-made cheese because it's easier. I know you really like cheese, don't you? Cheese. I get the mix of mozzarella and cheddar. You're going to have some in a minute once we start putting it on the pizza. Lydia, are you ready to put sauce on?
Put an apron on you.
And then you and Daddy can do that one and Mummy will do this one. I'll lead by example, eh? Yeah, spread it. The other side. There, that's right. The other side. You spread it like this. Good thing you got an apron on, eh?
The apron. No, no.
No, leave your apron on,
Apron could
Lydia.
touch your head. Oh. Come a bit. And then smooth it out, baby.
Yes, cheese. I know you like cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese, cheese. Move, Dad. Your arm's in the way. Go on then, put it on your pizza. Can you put your hand in?
Cheese.
On the pizza. Now we need to put the peppers on. What colour do you want? Do you want red, orange or yellow? Which one? Do you want the red one? You put it on your pizza? Oh, okay.
I should eat the red one.
Red, orange, yellow. Yeah, like that. You want an orange one? Put it on your pizza? And a yellow one. Well done. Right. We'll put these two in first. For about 10 minutes. Pizza, 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 pizza.
So that sauce.
You can have one spoonful of sauce.
That.
Mmm. Let's get you cleaned up then.
Mamma
Say
mia!
more.
She said, Mamma mia, Italia! Didn't get any of that.
Yum.
2
You just want all the pizza sauce.
Oh,
Oh, that went right on your
streaking
dress.
Why
So-
did you need bring a dress?
We have 2 here that'll be going in after these 2. These 2 are in already. Excuse how like gross my oven is, but yeah. It'll only take probably about 10 minutes to cook. And then we'll put these 2 in. And I know 4 pizzas might seem excessive for 3 people, but it's because we'll use some of it for dinner tomorrow. We'll just put some in a box. Need to get you cleaned up, missus. Made quite the mess.
Christ. How the hell do you...
Whee! That apron did nothing. Yeah, well done.
Get him to work.
Clean up your mess.
Like it.
Bit more. Go on then, wipe it.
It's a hard knock life.
Don't think you'll be able to squirt it.
Squirt,
Shh. There you go. Clean. There we go. 4 pizzas made. I'm just gonna, these back 2 are the ones that were cooked first, so these should be nice and cool now. Yeah, they are. So I'm gonna cut them ones up to eat, and I think these ones up we're gonna put in the fridge for tomorrow for dinner or something. There you go. Pizza. You gonna eat it?